Hi, we're the NASA Psyche project, and this video is to talk about our progress throughout the semester. My name is Amanda. I'm a junior studying civil engineering.
I'm Zane, and I'm a senior in computer science.
And my name is James. I am a junior studying chemical engineering. What is NASA Psyche? It is three things. It is a NASA mission, it is an asteroid, and it is a satellite. This asteroid is special because it has an iron-nickel core, which is similar to our Earth's core, and it can be studied to learn more about the Earth.
The majority of the STEM community in general, just especially like coming up in like 6th through 8th grade, middle school, high school, just has kind of a lack of interest in space exploration and stuff like that. So the goal of NASA Psyche mission at ASU is to educate and engage the community in these efforts. So some of the outcomes of our project, some of the goals we're trying to achieve is have an inexpensive solution that is effective and accessible. So we want this to be available to everyone who visits ISTB4.
So throughout the semester, we've created an interactive display conceptual design, which we're currently getting iterative feedback on. So our first objective is to create a lesson plan worksheet, which will delve into themes that are common classroom objectives by teachers, and then we'll create questions to meet those standards in the classroom, and then we'll create a survey to gain feedback on our questionnaires, on our worksheets for students to use, and then continue to iterate and develop for better understanding of the project itself. So here's just an example of a worksheet that we created. So it starts off by talking about fractions, so explaining the relationship between part over whole and displaying them mathematically.
Here's an example problem of how Psyche would be related to a core concept in school. This is a math concept, so fractions and information is given about the Earth's radius and the Moon's radius, and then it's asked to do a fraction of those radii, and that is shown below.
Okay, so here's a visual representation of the whole fraction thing. So you can see this would be kind of like a visual aid to go with it. Like 54 psyches fitting an Earth. Just visual representation, like examples like this, are kind of the things we're trying to go for.
So then following that diagram on the previous slide, this is just an example worksheet of questions that we can use to present to students who go through ISTB4 to be more engaging. So it just shows how we can divide up something that's circular into pieces and explain parts of it in terms of fractions. And then we've also created a survey, as we've mentioned, that we will be giving to teachers alongside the worksheet that we just previously explained to gain feedback, and then we'll use this feedback to make changes as necessary.
For future work and development, we plan to iterate this worksheet and lessons based on the feedback given. So hand out the survey, find out information, and use that information from the survey to improve the worksheets. And we plan to develop other lessons such as science, chemistry, English lessons, as well as continue to get feedback.
So yeah, other pathways we plan on, or we could potentially bring this platform to, is we're planning on maybe making videos and interactive education platforms. That's potentially like in a website with interactive elements, and then as well as that, having hands-on learning things in ISTB4, like dioramas and stuff like that. So.